Hello, my name is Michael. I'm the Permeable Paving Specialist at Tobermore. Today we're going to be visiting the Rainey Endowed School, where we delivered permeable paving to in 2008 and 2009. We'll be speaking with Keith Gilmore, the Estates Manager, and getting an understanding of what they've done in terms of maintenance. We'll then be looking at the infiltration rate and doing a test on the paving to see how it's fared up after all this time. Keith, when was the permeable paving down here at the Rainey?
It was laid slightly before my time, so it was down 2008, 2009. Was installed in the school here through a project by yourselves.
Excellent. And how's it fared up in terms of the rain?
Yep, does remarkably well, even after all this period of time. We have no lying water on it at all, and it definitely is.
And what would you do in terms of maintenance?
We do very little. It's brushed once a year after we put sand down. We bring sand in to do our pitches, and it's brushed once a year, and we maintain it, just keep it tidy, try and keep the moss down on it as much as possible.
That'll do. Fantastic. Thank you, Keith. We're going to do a couple of tests on it just to see how it's fared up after all these years.
Yep.
Now we're going to do a test on the permeable paving here at the Rainey School after 16 years of the paving being down. We've got a cylinder here with plumber's putty on the bottom to make it watertight, and we're going to pour in the water gradually to mimic rainfall on the surface. Okay, so we've returned from the test and we were able to find out that the permeable paving was very capable of dealing with an extreme UK rainstorm event. That would normally be about 50 millimeters per hour, and the infiltration rate found on the permeable paving was 990 millimeters per hour. This is excellent, as even after 16 years with little to no maintenance, the paving is still very capable of dealing with an extreme UK rainstorm event. If you have any other questions, visit our website or reach out to us at hydropave@tobermore.co.uk.